My Tillers, welcome back to my channel. I feel so unpretty. The world just simply have a way of making you feel so unpretty when you are not the common beauty that a lot of people are accustomed to seeing. I love my natural hair. I really do. And I work hard each day to get her back into a healthy state, a healthy place. And when you have people in the world that makes you feel unseen, make you feel invisible, unacceptable, not enough, it just hurts so bad. I feel so unpretty. All of my efforts, all of my healthy eating and drinking plenty of water and taking the time to style my hair and taking my time to try to get the best product for my hair to maintain the health upkeep of my scalp and of my hair, and for no one to even just take a moment to say, "You look very beautiful today," or "I really like your hair." I feel so unpretty. Even the men in the world, you guys, such a large vast of them, especially the young generation, they love the European look, the long straight hair, or the biracial curly type hair. Kinky hair doesn't get enough love. I feel so unpretty.